Hey, there is a good news for the Samsung users. The mid-range segment smartphone, the Galaxy A50, got the all-new One UI 2.0 update today. Let's check what are the specialties inside this. It says to keep a backup of your data so as you won't lose anything. Here is what's new. The dark mode, enhanced image text and color adjustment for day and night environments. You can keep it in dark mode for saving an extra battery. Then, redefined interactions, navigations and more controls. One-handed mode operations, that's already we have it. High contrast keyboard and layouts, okay. Better text over wallpapers. Media and devices. About the biometrics, they say that there is an option to keep the biometric symbol on or off as our wish. About the camera, the improved stability and option to edit while shooting. It includes switching between cameras while shooting videos and something other. The dark mode will be available in apps like calculator, calendar, messages, alarm, etc. Currently, this update is released to India only. The other countries will get the One UI 2 update very shortly. Also, the successor models of A50 like the A50s, A51 and the M series also will get this update very soon. So, don't waste the time and go get updated.